お待たせいたしました。
So good.
My camera work isn't great.
What?
So many.
Oh, there was a spider web in there.
I bought a cat. So the trick is to put it somewhere that no one else will move it, because I don't want someone moving my cat. Wait, which one is it? Oh, this one. Wait, what? Wait. This one, right? This one. Wait, no. This little guy. I'm depressed. I'm trying macas in Japan. This is a Graco or something? Gruco? I don't know. And a teriyaki McBurger. The bread is so soft. Oh my god, is that a mask line? Very interesting taste.
Oh wait, what? That's not mine? Oh, not mine again?
Guess where I'm at? I'm so excited. I wanted to come yesterday, but I got ready too slow, so I didn't. But I'm finally here. Wow, Christmas! Starting with this ride, wait, what's it called? Big Thunder Mountain with a 40-minute wait. The line is moving quite fast though. Yay, I finally made it! It didn't actually feel like 40 minutes. Space Mountain, the iconic ride of Disneyland. At least in my opinion, it's a must-do. Wow, so close! I'm in Chippendale's little treehouse. Oh, stairs out.
Another iconic ride. Not really a ride, but
I swear when I used to come, it was like a 2-hour wait, but it says 25-minute wait, which is such like a line bargain. Why is the Snow White? What? Wait, what? It's only 6, but it's so dark. I'm ready to get dizzy on Alice's tea party.
I won with flying colors.
The lights are so pretty at night. Midnight feast. Oh my god, it looks so good. I forgot how to play.
Okay, I'm stopping recording. Oh!
Yummy. I'm gonna eat my jacket.
Wow! You know the TikTok trend?
No. Huh?
I don't think you reached the cheese yet.
The Senso-ji temple. I'm doing it again. 26. I got regular fortune. Finally got udon and soba. Wait, how do you play? Oh my god, it's Tetris. I'm at a maid cafe and I want to order my food, but you're not allowed to just order. You have to go and... I don't want to do it. Oh my god, I don't want to do it. Melon soda. She recognized that I was embarrassed, and so she just took my order.
why is this melon soda better than others? Is it because it was expensive?
I got my bunny parfait. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm so glad I got the cute one, not the yummy one. I bought a bunch of goodies the other day and time to try them. Oh, that smells bad.
A few moments later.
They're all starting to taste the same. I tried some the other day. Those ones are good. Mentaiko and vegetable salad were both really good. I always see this candy in anime and I want to try it. You just play around with it. Is that it? That's so boring. I also see a bunch of these. How do you eat this? Oh, it's jelly! Not very yummy jelly. Now I'm gonna try choco balls. I don't like it. Worst candy haul ever. Delicious lunch. Today was a stressful day. We missed our bus. This pimple represents my growing stress. Missed the first bus because it was raining and there were no taxis. There was just a lot of luggage. It was very stressful and I'm finally on another bus. I slept for the whole 2 hours and I finally arrived. It's so pretty.